Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Google Pixel 7a with a cracked display, and this is kind of scary actually. I wouldn't want to touch this, so let's go fix it. So as you can see, this Google Pixel 7a just have a damage up front, nothing at the back. So it needs to be fixed right away because there's also gaps at the bottom. And the way I see it is this is not anymore safe to use because of the deep scratches or scratch and cracks that can cut your fingers if your finger is quite soft. So we're gonna start off by removing the display. So Google Pixel smartphones still has that design. You have a damaged display, start the repair by removing the damaged display. I like that. And this is, I think, the first time this smartphone has been opened, so the adhesive from the factory is quite challenging to remove. So we're just gonna take our time, make sure we don't damage the internal components inside as we slice through the adhesive. We have now reached the other side, and lots of shards are now coming off as we try to pry off the glass. Now it's really not going to be usable anymore, and that's not a problem because we're going to replace it when it's finally off of the housing. I try to maintain the gap, don't want that to go back in. And the final side, there you go. I'm gonna slice through it, and I think we have a bent frame at the corner there. You can see the damage. That's why the display has some cracks like what it has right now. So we're just gonna address that later on after we clean off the residue from the adhesive and the shards of glass. We're gonna cut through the adhesive that's very tenacious. Also gonna remove this clip that's holding on to the display connector. We'll try to charge it, see if it's still working after that arduous operation. Still 100%. That's okay. I'm gonna remove the display. Remove the clip. We forgot to remove the clip. Then we're gonna pry it off. And now it's safe to clean the housing. Gonna address the shards of glass left behind, the adhesives. I'm gonna brush it off. Now we are gonna address the bent frame. So when you drop your phone and it's made up of aluminum, it's gonna do some bending on the side or corner, which can transfer the impact to the glass, which causes the cracks. David is now using some mini grinding tool to remove that bend. And we're gonna remove the fingerprint scanner from the old display. We're going to transfer that to this one. This is our replacement display. But unfortunately, we won't be able to test if the fingerprint scanner works on this device because the client wants us to keep the smartphone locked. So that's what we're going to do. They're just going to test it when they have the device. I'm gonna attach the connector. I'm gonna try to turn this on, remove the plastic, and there's the Google logo. Touchscreen is working, color is accurate, bright enough to blind you. I'm gonna shut it down. And this time we're not gonna use our own liquid adhesive. The replacement display comes with its own pre-applied adhesive strips around the glass. So we're just gonna peel off the plastic and install it permanently. Before we forget, we're gonna clean this off first, and then the retaining clip for the connector. Smartphone will still work without the clip, but this is David. He's making sure everything is in its proper place. Screw that in, secure it, tape it up, cover it. Some final adjustments on the bed frame. Just gonna grind it off so that the display can sit snugly over the housing. So that's it, we're done. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. If you have any questions on the repairs that we do here in the shop, leave a comment down below. You can message us through Facebook, Instagram, and of course YouTube comments. David is doing Apple stuff, Android stuff, smartwatches, and of course Google Pixel smartphones. This is your before and after so that you can see the difference of what a brand new display can make. So thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll leave you with the installation of a free tumbler glass. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Isn't that getting slow, speaking fast? I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious.